Good morning, Barry and Barb. It's 10:19 here on the East Coast, and I had aimed to have this in your inbox by 8 a.m. Mountain Time. So I am scrambling just to get something to you. And the root of the delay this time is in working with the images. The old images, we're looking at the old site obviously right now, and they fit nice in the old site because it's scaled down. The trade-off there is that this doesn't work in mobile. So we have to have everything that scales proportionately from desktop to tablet to mobile. This is at the root of why I can't use any of the old images and why I asked for the new images, which Barry provided. However, I have to scale down every image to the lowest common denominator, meaning I can't pair a 640 by 480 image with a 1920 by 1080 because now you've got a thumbnail standing next to a Goliath, and you can't work with those. So you have to scale everything down to the lowest common denominator. All of that, just kind of give you a preface stepping in to the new site and you know, let you know what we're working with and moving forward what we can do to improve things. So right out of the gates, I did a couple things kind of as a nod to the old site, if you will. You see, I kept the Rocky Mountain National Park background there very subtly in the header. I also did a number of aesthetic. Made a number of aesthetic efforts to emulate the DLP site, so you sense that they are siblings. Anything that you don't like about it, just don't even worry about it. You guys, I got you taken care of. I'll never be able to repay the thank you for your patience and tolerance while I have dealt with endless problems of my own. So, moving through this though, let's go along. Let's see what we can look at. Mainly, I guess, maybe the before and after. I left that page. Just sort of blank for now because I ended up for an inordinate amount of time just working on these three little images. You say, why? Well, the three images here in the banner, because it's everything from scaling to getting them the right proportions to giving them some sort of reference point so you can tell it's the same project to squaring up the lines so that everything is perpendicular. Just this is the kind of stuff I obsess about. Is I want things to be just right. So hopefully all that translates into you're in good hands. Also, moving forward, if we're on the right path, I'm going to work with the images that we do have, try to fit them into this layout. And what I've done here, we'll go to say outdoor living, for example. What we've done here is I've made galleries. And this is what I would envision as well for the before and after. I've gone over 3 minutes already, so I'm going to wrap this up. I guess the thrust of my message here is really um, that we're going to work on this moving forward. I am not settled with this being a done project, and I am not going to be settled until it's just exactly perfect. So, with that, I'm going to release this into your hands, and we're going to exchange some back and forth and see about getting it so it's just exactly perfect. Until then, we'll talk soon.